Hello and welcome to Swastik Professional. Today I would like to introduce 200-liter tilting bread pan which is heating element based, electrically operated. This is the most demanding product nowadays in northern region and southern region of India. On a huge demand of the customers, now we have started manufacturing all these products in spite of induction and other machines as well. This is 200-liter tilting bread pan. First, I would like to tell you about its all outer features of this particular machine. This machine is made by complete SS304 16 gauge outer area. Even its internal part of this machine is made by SS304. That is food graded steel and most demanding product among all of our customers. This machine is electrical operated and this is operated by the rotary switches. There is a display which shows that the machine temperature and its set temperature. Okay, there are three indicators we are showing here, which is red, blue and yellow. These all three indicators shows that three-phase light is coming or not. And this particular light, which is green in color, that shows that the machine is working. And the second part of this machine is manual gear partition. This is heavy and smooth operating gear system inbuilt with this machine. This machine can be tilted very easily just because we are using a particular and heavy duty and most demanding gearbox inside this machine. And third part of this machine, which is inbuilt center of this machine, the capacity of this tank is 200 liter and inside wall of this particular machine is made by SS304 14 gauge. This is the bottom area and this particular base is made with 4 mm thickness. Okay, one more thing I would like to tell you about this machine, which is this machine is insulated. And if you see the wall of this particular machine, this is double skin. Double skin means this machine is insulated and the internal part of these particular two surfaces is filled with glass wool, which does not allow the heat inside of the tank to the outer area. This way the maximum efficiency of the machine comes out and the production gets fulfilled. This is the back side of this particular machine. This machine is still has to be furnished. If you will see the connector of this particular area, this all cable is insulated, covered properly and stacked properly. This machine is operated with 13.5 kilowatt and every heating element is having with the ceramic insulator. And the wire we are using here, that is high temperature resistance wire, and this is nylon and glass insulated, and its maximum temperature resistance is 750 degrees centigrade. This way the machine is robust and the machine can be avoid earthing and other loose connections. The gear is very smooth and easily this can be uplift and tilted very easily. This is lid of this particular machine. This is made with 16 gauge material SS304, very smooth finish. One more thing I would like to show you, there is a provision given with this machine. We can attach a tap faucet. The water connection is already given with this machine. If the machine is installed at its installation base, this particular point can be connected with the water line and the faucet will be fixed over here. And once the faucet is fixed, this can be operated and the machine can be filled with the water and machine can be cleaned as well. This is what we are providing.